Fools like them, they serve me up.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My good name is Hadasa Amina, and guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. So on today's video we're going to do a $2 hairstyle. That is what you really want here is only 2 braids. Okay, that is what I'm going to show you today. Yes, very fast, a very fast quick fix that you can do on your hair, right? Okay, so first thing first, comb your hair, make sure that it's thoroughly combed, and then after that you have to part your hair. So after parting your hair halfway, that is really what you're gonna do, and then you need braids. So for me, I'm using Avis color number 2. Okay, to do my extension, that is what I will use. And then after that I will remove that bladder, and I will, instead of using that bladder, I will use a hairband. Okay, yes, so make sure that you apply hair food on your braid, and then you're gonna comb it thoroughly. Okay, and then you attach it on your back, you attach it on your back part of the hair. And then on my hair, I love using this gloss, hair gloss. This really makes your hair shine very well. It gives your hair that gloss. Yeah, I love it so much. So I will use that to give my hair gloss. So at this point, I haven't used any hair styling gel. So I just decided, I don't love hair styling gel, but I just decided you can also use it if your hair does not, if your hair really needs it, you can use it. But for me, I just chose not to use the hair gel. Okay, yeah, because my hair, I can style it like that. And then you start plaiting the 3-strand method, and actually you can do this prior to installing your extension. So you can do this before, and then you just attach it on your head. So I'll be doing a 3 hair strand method to plait my extension, and I'll be removing some few parts of the braids. Okay, because I'll be needing those hairs to give the curly effect that you will see later, or that you have already seen in the beginning of the video. So that's what I'll be doing so far guys. So let's do this, and then after that guys, I'll be now attaching this extension around my hair. Okay, around my head, really, not my hair, around my head. And I'll be using bobby pins to do that thing. So here I was just trying to see if it's long enough, and then I realized no, it's not long enough. So I had to undo it, and I added some braids, and then I just attached it, right? Yeah, so that is really it. And then you just use bobby pins to attach. These are the bobby pins to attach it well, to give it a secure to just secure it well. Okay, yes. And then I took the other braid. Now this one I'm going to use it on the back part, because I want to hide everything that was going on back there. And also I'm gonna do the 3-strand method, and then I will just roll it around that area to cover my natural hair, and to cover everything that I have that really needs to be covered. Okay, yeah, so that is really it. And then after that, these hairs, these small hairs that I left out, will just give them a curl. So you can do this with flex rods, you can do this with anything that can make you achieve the look that you're looking for. So for me, I'm gonna use straws. I have flex rods, but I just chose to use straws because I needed smaller curls probably. But you can use flex rods, you can use anything that you really want. You can also use a string if you know how to use it. So for me, I will use straws. And then after that guys, So after that, I'm gonna dip it into hot water, and that's why I would advise you, if you are not used into these things, prepare your extensions prior before installing your extensions, right? You can see how, yes, I actually did a photo shoot, and this is how the hair came out. A very quick fix that I did on my hair, and everything came out well. So you can see the results, they are really bouncing. For me, I wanted to leave it like that at the beginning, but then I felt like I should just give it a rough comb, okay, using a tail comb, to give it more of hair effect, right? Yeah, and that is what I ended up doing. And yes guys, so just see how everything came out, and enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe guys. Don't forget subscribe. We are at 858 guys. I believe that we can get up to 1000. So if you come across this video kindly, and if you have reached this far on this video, don't forget subscribe, just support me. And I love you guys so much. I love you so much. And yes, so you can see that's what I was doing. I just gave it a rough comb using a tail comb, and then I trimmed my hair, and everything came out well. Yeah, everything came out well guys. I really loved it, and I'm gonna try it again and again. So these are the results, and mind you, I thought that I had recorded the video after doing my hair. I realized later in the evening that I didn't have that video, so I had to record it again guys, and you can see the hair was still snatching. Yes guys, so see you, and I love you so much guys, and don't forget subscribe. Bye bye, and take care of yourself guys. Okay, bye.